AI is flagging the one in the corner.
Got it. Weight looks good. Monitoring. Easy now. Keep them steady. Good. They're moving right along. That's it. Skin feels a bit dry here. Check the neck folds too. Quality looks good. Easy now, up you go. That's all right, let's move them in. Got it, loading up. Steady now. Trucks are on the screen. Looks good, confirming arrival. First truck. Easy now, big guy. Step on down. That's it. Good boy. Come. $500 milliliters confirmed.
Confirmed. Pouring now.
Pour complete.
This area has some uneven grain.
Yes, and a dark mark right here.
Let's flag this for review.
Agreed. Let's get these hides organized. Right, stacking by size. Good, keep the grain consistent. Softness feels good on this one.
Let me check the flex.
Stretching well, no tears. The rolling machine ensures uniform color absorption across the material. Let's inspect this final batch.
The grain is very consistent.
Yes, and the texture feels right. Moving leather to the cutting station. Initiating the cut. Shelf B04 is low on stock.
I'll check the Demer 50 units. Scan verified.
Good work. Load and steady. Coming in now. Secure the back. Clear and retract.